Hello, my name is Angela Olson. My teammates Stephanie Cannett, Catherine Sauter, and I have prepared this presentation along with a detailed talent management strategic plan. This plan is designed to address where we are as a company, current and expected challenges, as well as a roadmap to fix these concerns. During this presentation, we will take a few minutes to cover short and long-term objectives, our structure, recruitment and retention, performance management, training and development, succession planning, as well as leveraging technological advancements to propel us into a progressive and successful company. After conducting a SWOT analysis, we have pinpointed our weaknesses as a company to be lack of structure, no performance management system, and flawed performance reviews. We will discuss these in detail with a plan to overcome these challenges. To formally address these items in the interest of our employees and overall health of the organization, we have developed short and long-term goals. The first short-term goal is to set up an organizational structure, holacratic in nature. Second, we will set up a successful performance management system based on employee feedback we have received. Thinking long-term, we will direct our attention to growth and expansion, employee and customer loyalty, a creative and fun culture, increased technological innovation, better internal communication, and transparency. As a new company, we struggle with maintaining a strong organizational structure. We believe the holacratic structure is best and will change the dynamic of our teams, allowing employees to fill transparent roles with their own accountabilities and domain of competence. Impraise blog, no date. This will greatly affect the middle management tier as they transform into what is referred to as lead links, which are appointed to each circle with the purpose of handing out roles, allocating resources, prioritizing, and maintaining strategies and communication within the group. Impraise blog, no date. This hierarchy benefits decision-making since authority is attached to each role, meaning work is processed at a quicker pace and employees hold a deeper sense of purpose and ownership within the organization. Impraise, no date. This system is becoming increasingly popular and thrives among smaller companies such as ourselves. In order to find the right talent and remain competitive enough to retain it, we must take a closer look at our recruitment and retention strategy. Since there have been reported performance management concerns, a complete restructuring of the leadership role has become necessary. It is imperative to eliminate any negative or toxic mindsets. We recommend hiring a new team of lead links committed to establishing and maintaining a positive and deliberate culture. These may be internal or external hires. New candidates must have excellent communication and problem-solving skills to lead and develop employees at all levels. While radio advertising and social media strategies are key, we need to focus on developing recruitment materials and attending job fairs to promote the company and attract the right applicants. Benjamin, 2018. Thinking outside the box, sending recruiters to gaming conventions would provide an opportunity to find the right kind of passion to excel within our company. Now, let's take a look at performance management. A key aspect of performance management is employee development. Rather than only focusing on what our employees do at work, more emphasis should be placed on helping them develop their skills and grow individually. Dugan, 2015. We recommend replacing annual performance reviews with a continuous and transparent dialogue between lead links and employees. More specifically, lead links will document frequent performance appraisals, set individual goals, and collaborate to develop career plans. We will continue to focus on training and development, ensuring that during the whole process, regular feedback has a positive impact on performance management. Macmillan, 2018. Let's take a look at training and development. This overall process starts with creating individual development plans for all employees. Olinsky, 2015. Our lead links must ensure that performance metrics are provided. Olinsky, 2015. To ensure transparency, these metrics must be specific, measurable, attainable, reachable, and timely. Your coach, no date. Further training and development opportunities will be tied into our recommendations for succession planning. Along with a detailed and interactive onboarding program, 1 day a month will be devoted to professional development for individual and team goals. We have identified 8 critical positions that significantly affect key performance measures, such as revenue, costs, quality, and customer engagement metrics, Subert 2018. Without these positions, we simply cannot meet our strategic mission. We recommend 2 of each position, which are programmers, designers, animators, audio engineers, creative directors, DevOps, engineers, game artists, and level editors. These critical jobs require succession planning to not only sustain the most qualified individuals, but to secure a contingency plan avoiding gaps in these positions being filled. Regular talent reviews must be held to find employees with potential to advance into those critical roles. For employees who qualify based on skill but lack a formal education in the specified area, we must support this mutually beneficial opportunity by paying their college tuition to go alongside internship opportunities. One method to capitalize on this is utilizing vacation time for potential successors to step in and assume responsibilities for those who are absent. This helps gain experience while leaders learn how prepared the person is to take on a bigger role. HEF 2018. Fostering a program that believes in the growth and development of our employees enables a culture of loyalty and productivity. As you know, we are daily enhancing and perfecting our graphics, controls, and recognitions, as well as evolving at a rapid pace to keep up with emerging technology in our industry. Mental floss, no date. Our passion and creative drive have allowed us to be at the forefront with these advances. With technological innovation at our fingertips, we can utilize automated systems to implement performance management. This will assist in goal tracking, streamline the performance review process, and utilize dashboards and support tools at our fingertips. Macmillan, 2018. Considering our company's needs, we have selected Halogen Talent Space as our performance management system. Halogen Software also offers a full human capital management software suite with the option to integrate other HR solutions into this performance management system. Uzalco, 2017. The strategic plan we have designed for Gamers Paradise directly complements our strategy and mission. We have highlighted our organizational goals, addressed the lack of structure, and implemented a performance management system. Recruitment and retention, along with training and development, have been addressed with thoughts of current and future results in mind. Key positions with succession planning has been outlined to prepare us for continued success. The workforce is rapidly changing, and along with the advancement of technology, it is important to remain proactive and adaptable with a pool of highly trained, loyal employees. Cleverism, 2016. Talent management is an ongoing process. It is crucial to measure and evaluate employees as this leads to the success of our company and has proven to be a successful business strategy with long-term effects. Thank you for listening to our presentation.